Squincher Outdoors would not be possible without the support of these great companies. The Resource Center, Ozark Mountain Outdoors, Mossy Oak Properties, Jim Butler Chevrolet, Lily's Landing Resort and Marina, Rustic Timbers Furniture Company, Hot Shot Archery, Vortex Optics, Magnus Broadheads, Boatworks Performance Specialists, Baitworks for all your fishing bait and tackle needs, and of course, our friends at Squincher.
Alright guys, on this week's episode of Squincher Outdoors, we got a special show. I'm up here in northeast Missouri, and I'm talking northeast Missouri. We're about 20 minutes from Iowa in Clark County, and my good buddy Brian invited us to come up, and we're going to do deer hunting, some duck hunting, and some fishing. And you're not going to want to miss this show, because at the end of the show, this property is going to be for sale with Mossy Oak Properties, and it's a one-of-a-kind piece of property, guys. You don't see this kind of property come on the market very often. It's got a 25-acre lake, 153 acres of timber, loaded with big bucks. So, man, I'm excited. Squirrel right there. Little buck. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that one behind it might even be bigger. Yeah, I think I can see its beam. Maybe a tree. There's 3 bucks down there. Yeah. The last one might be bigger. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Looking right at it. Better on the viewfinder than the binoculars. You can. Oh, yeah. What would make him just take off like that, you know? Did he run? No, he just was walking. That's the way he went. Necessary. You know it's a big fat toe.
Closed captioning is brought to you by Habitat Taxidermy,
The official taxidermist for the Squincher Outdoors team. Call David Vessel at Habitat Taxidermy at 417-840-0058 and preserve your memory of a lifetime.
All right, well, that's going to put a wrap on day one. We've seen three bucks, 2 decent ones, and then 2 little something else's. So we saw 5 or 6 deer, and we had a good night. It was a little windy out. They didn't stay out in the field long. They kind of came out and went right back in the woods. So it's our first day up here, man. We're just having a blast. We're going to get up in the morning, do a little goose hunting, then a little fishing, then a little deer hunting, and probably some eating in between.
Rustic Timbers Furniture in beautiful Branson West is located on Highway 76. Rustic Timber specializes in rugged handcrafted furniture for your home, lodge, or cabin. Rustic Timbers Furniture offers decor for virtually every room in your home or business. Their products are made in America and are designed to last a lifetime. Their knowledgeable staff is there to answer any of your interior decor questions. You'll find everything from bedroom and living room furniture to taxidermy, wall decor, and much more. Rustic Timbers Furniture has everything to fit your rustic style. The Squincher Outdoors team is always on the move, and we depend on Jim Butler Chevrolet in Fenton, Missouri to get us where we need to go. With the largest selection of Chevy trucks at unbeatable prices, it doesn't make sense to go anywhere else. Sales manager Alex Cox and our buddy Scott Johnson promise to put you in a vehicle at a price you're not going to believe. Jim Butler Chevrolet not only has unbeatable prices, but a service and finance department that will treat you like family. Call Scott Johnson right now and let Butler Chevrolet show you why we won't buy from anyone else.
Baitworks is Springfield, Missouri's premier tackle shop, owned and operated by fishermen. We carry all the brands, accessories, and knowledge you need to be ready for your next catch. We sell all the top brands like Mega Bass, Strike King, Zoom, Rapala, and hundreds of others. It doesn't matter what region you're from or what season we're in, we've got you covered. Come check out our store in person or visit our website at www.baitworks.com and we'll get you ready for your next fishing adventure.
All right, guys, it's day 2 here in northern Missouri, and we slept in a little bit this morning because we're just up here having fun. We just had a good breakfast, and now we're going to go ahead and set up some goose decoys and see if we can kill a goose. And after that, we're going to pull the boat out, and it's pretty nice up here today. It's in the 40s, 45 degrees. We're going to go try and catch a bass after that, and then we'll climb in a tree stand this afternoon. So we're getting ready to have a little bit of fun and see if we can make it happen this morning. It's afternoon now, and the neat thing about this property is it's got a giant lake on it, and you don't find that very often. Brian, tell us a little bit about the history of the lake, how big it is, and just a little bit about what happened here.
Well, the lake was built in the early 80s. It was set up for water retention. They built, I believe, 16 of these lakes in the county, and right now it's set at 25 acres. The top of the spillway holds at about 40 acres. And it sits on 153 acres of timber, which the lake's right in the middle of it.
So depending on the weather, sometimes you'll have 25-acre lake, sometimes you'll have 30-acre lake, just depends on what kind of season you have rain-wise.
Right, yeah. Yeah, this is about as low as it's ever been that I've seen it, but yeah, it should come up. It's been an extremely dry year, so it's definitely shows.
Definitely shows. Well, tomorrow morning we're going to goose hunt. So last night I muzzleloader hunted for deer. Today we're going to try and catch one of these big bass, and then tomorrow we're going to try and shoot a goose. So David's excited to catch a bass. So let's put this boat in here and see if we can go catch one of these suckers.
Ozark Mountain Outdoors is a full-service archery shop located in Branson West. With a large selection of top brand bows like Matthews, Hoyt, Bowtech, Bear, and more, you can find all the latest models. along with a wide variety of leading arrows from Easton, Victory, and others. And if by chance they don't have what you're looking for, they'll handle your special order. With a 25-yard indoor range and a full-service center, Ozark Mountain Outdoors has everything you need to get you ready for the woods. Ozark Mountain also offers land management services, help with food plots, and a whole lot more. If it's archery related, Ozark Mountain Outdoors has you covered.
Hey John, I bought that ATV and I need a quote fast. But man, I gotta go. Here comes a buck.
The Resource Center serving Branson and Springfield, Missouri specializes in home, auto, motorcycle, and recreational vehicle insurance.
Hey Tony, here's the insurance for your four-wheeler and your ID card. Glad we could get you back in the woods.
Appreciate it, man. I can't believe you guys got it done so fast. I got plenty of time. I'm gonna go hit the trees right now.
I'm gonna be right behind you.
If you're hunting for top coverage at a great rate, call John Schaefer at the Resource Center and let him save you some big bucks.
Hi guys, we took a little break from fishing and we're just taking a little walk around the lake. Like I said, the lake's a little lower than what it is normally, but you've got a 25-acre lake in the middle of 125 acres of timber for deer hunting up here in northern Missouri. There's turkeys squawking in the background, there's eagles flying around. Man, you guys, this is a property that that doesn't come on the market very often, so this is one you're definitely going to take a look at.
Made it easier access. If I want to get to stand out here, I just put the boat in the water when I get here, dude. Like if I'm gonna be here 9 days or something, I just take the boat down, drop it off, and walk up.
While Tony was getting a tour of the property, the boys took some time to construct a makeshift blind for tomorrow's goose hunt.
All right guys, we're doing a little walk around the property, just kind of checking it out since I've never been here. This is the northeast corner, and the landowner previous, he put logging roads all through, so you have access all the way around pretty much to the lake. You can come in by four-wheeler on this side, on the other side, and the other side, so it makes it very convenient to get to any side. If you want to put a deer stand up here in the corner, you can pretty easy access for anybody. Well, there goes some deer, look at that. guys, it's day number 2 up here in northeast Missouri. Today we did a little bit of fishing. We made us a goose blind for the morning. There's a lot of geese coming into that lake, so hopefully tomorrow we'll get in on some geese. But tonight we're going to focus on whitetail deer with a muzzleloader. I still got a buck tag left, so hopefully we can make it happen tonight. It looks beautiful in here. Was crazy. Just had 2 deer come down the hill. 3 coyotes were chasing them. And coyotes are smart, I guess, man. They split apart and worked around them. Wow. Right behind you. I don't know what they are. Alright guys, we stuck it out to the very end, and man, right before dark the woods just came alive. We had deer all around us, and like I said, this property is amazing, and we're only going to shoot a mature buck on this property, so we let those deer walk, and we're going to head back to the house. We got deer meat, we got doves, we got a bunny rabbit, and tomorrow morning we're going to try and kill some geese, so we're just having a good time, man.
Are you ready for a better way to buy a boat? Boatworks has reinvented the boat dealership experience. Customer appreciation, service, our friendly staff will make owning your next boat simple. We offer premium brands like Basscat, Camus, Skeeter, and more. Boatworks isn't just about serious fishing. From our premium pontoon lines and wake boats, we've got you covered. Come visit us at our locations in Springfield, Missouri or Lake of the Ozarks. Boatworks, a better way to buy a boat.
Well, it's our last day here. We have been trying to figure out these geese. There's not a lot of geese here, so we're either going to make it happen or it's not going to happen. So this is where they've been. So we haven't really spooked them or pressured them. So hopefully they'll come in not knowing anything's going on. We got a good hide. Got decoys out where all the tracks are at, where they've been sitting. So who knows?
you could kill it?
I guarantee you.
You do?
Yep.
Hang on for a second. Well, I just said I hope we shoot a coyote or see a coyote because we can't kill anything else. And look at my buddy picked up my muzzleloader. He got a Melanie right on the noggin.
Oh man, that's all right.
That's well worth
Trade it for a coyote any day.
that.
Mounted it like my shotgun. I got a little.
Oh,
close on the
it
cone.
got you too.
Oh, I know.
Nice one. I can't see him. Say wind. Kill it, Dave. Alright guys, man, we've had a blast up here in northern Missouri, chasing deer, geese, coyotes, just having a good time, eating a bunch of good food. Man, thanks a lot for letting Squincher Outdoors come up and hunt on your property. Didn't kill a deer, but that was only by choice. We had plenty of chances to shoot a deer. How's your nose, Dave?
I'm gonna get a little farther from the scope. That's what happens when you give a bow hunter a gun or a rifle. He's not used to that, so I'll take it any day. Get rid of a coyote. So.
Get rid of a coyote. Well, you want to pack up and head to the house?
You bet.
All right, let's do it.
Are you looking for that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own your own outdoor recreational property? Tony Weldele with Mossy Oak Properties has the hunting and fishing paradise available right now in Clark County, Missouri. Bordered by Iowa and Illinois, Clark County is known for giant whitetails. This northeast Missouri property has a 30-acre lake that's jam-packed with trophy-sized bass and many other popular fish species. There are numerous roads and pathways that give you easy access to your new lake and numerous tree stands and hunting blinds which all stay with the property. With close to 20 deer stands overlooking hardwoods, approximately 38 acres of alfalfa food plots, and 77 acres of wetland restoration, deciding where to hunt will be your only problem. Totaling approximately 378 total acres, the largest parcel is accommodated with a 1,200 square foot cabin with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a spacious kitchen and living room and a laundry room. Attached is a 3-bay garage, already equipped with a handy tractor. This beautiful property is provided with county water and fiber optic cable internet. I could go on and on about this property of a lifetime, but it's best to contact Tony Weldele at 417-294-7335 for more details. Needless to say, you better hurry. This opportunity will not last long, and I can promise you that.